Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm continuing my 1000 item declutter. And before I show you most of what I'm going to declutter today, I wanted to review some additional items that I got rid of during our garage sale. So I had 3 more beach chairs in addition to those bleacher chairs I showed you before that we sold. And then I also got rid of a pine bench and a bookcase, and I will insert photos of them after this segment. But I ended up listing these 2 things on Facebook Marketplace while the garage sale was going on, and I actually sold those through Facebook Marketplace rather than at the garage sale. That worked out really well, got a lot of responses, and got the prices that I was looking for. So 5 additional items from the garage sale that I haven't shown you before. And since I usually like to do about 100 items, I have quite a few more to go. So let's get cracking. So now I'm in my bathroom, and I have this cabinet here that sits between our 2 sinks, and I think there are some expired items in there and things that we have not used in a long time, so I'm going to look in there and pull some things out. Okay, so here's what I pulled out of the cabinet. These pre-moistened lens cleaning tissues for glasses. They are many years old, and I opened one up and it wasn't wet anymore, and we tend not to use these because we mostly wear contact lenses. And then a few boxes of gauze pads. We got those when there was a particular item we needed to cover on an injury, and so we haven't used those in years either, and they're just taking up room in my cabinet. So that's 5 items from this bathroom, and then I'm going to go down into my guest bathroom and check out some of the supplies there. Here is my guest bathroom vanity cabinet. So I'm going to take you on a little journey into the inside. Okay, so under this sink I have 2 of these plastic containers that are stacked up here, and I keep toiletries for when we have guests. And so one of the things I want to do is go through this dental care bin, because every time I go to the dentist, I get a little travel-sized toothpaste like this. This one I just got, and I also get a toothbrush and dental floss, and I only use those when we go on trips. I have other supplies I use on a regular daily basis. So I think there's quite a few items in here that we can get rid of. See how jam-packed it is? So I'm going to go through and discard some of those, because there is no way I'm going to go through all this dental floss, because I don't like this particular brand, but it's okay for trips or for guests. So I will sort that out and then get back to you. Here is my discard pile. So these items here are past their expiration date, and then I have these threading flossers left over from when my daughters had braces, which was many years ago. And then this is all of the dental floss that I'm getting rid of. Some of it's been used, some of it hasn't, but I don't think there's any way we will take that many trips or have that many guests over that we need all of that. So this is what I have left. So I've kept 1 row of dental floss. You can see I still have quite a bit of it left. So that's plenty. And then I have 2 tubes of toothpaste that are still good. And then I kept all of the toothbrushes because we didn't have that many. And those are always good to have in case you need to change yours out. So that's it, and I'm going to go put those with my other bathroom items, and then I will total up everything. So I have a bunch more items, miscellaneous items from various places that I'm going to get rid of. I have a personality profile that was from somewhere I used to work. I don't think I need that anymore. I have several packets of index cards that my daughters used when they were in school. So I don't really have a need for those anymore, so I'm going to donate those. I have some lids without matching container bottoms. I have a lot of books that I pulled out of a bookcase and a bookmark, can donate those. And then I have some old sheets. I'm going to get rid of sheet sets. So I will count all of that up as well. So here's a couple more items I'm thinking of decluttering. This is a better binder. It's the small size and it has a bunch of empty sheet protectors in it. And then this one is not empty. It has a lot of instructions and manuals that go with kitchen appliances, and I think I can pretty much look up all of this online. So I know this seems like one item, this one, and this also seems like one item, but I think I should count each of these individual things within it because those are taking up space. So I'm going to go through and count all of that up right now, and once I have everything totaled, I'll show you. And hopefully that will get me to 100 or more. All right, so here is my total from the additional items I sold at the garage sale, the items I pulled out of the 2 bathrooms, the sheet sets, the plastic lids, the books and index cards, the purple binder and its inserts, the black binder and the manuals, and all of that came to 107. So my grand total so far is 849. That means I have 151 left to go. So wish me luck. I hope you find this type of video inspiring. If so, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and then the notification bell. Thank you again for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.